welcome to another episode of the Cocktail Goddess. So today we're going to be smoking some hors d'oeuvres with the Foghat Cocktail Smoker using our Foghat Cloche. Today I've prepared two hors d'oeuvres for us to smoke. The first one is a mozzarella ball that's marinated, and I wrapped it in a piece of prosciutto with a little toothpick in the middle. And the second one is a sweet pecan cracker, and what I did was I put some French blue cheese on it, and I sliced a piece of sweet pear. Let's get smoking. So I'm going to take the Cloche top, put it right on top like that, and I'm going to take the Foghat, put it right in the center. Okay, so now what we're going to do is I'm going to take the top off the Foghat, put it aside, and inside of here is a screen. I'm going to take the screen out, and inside in the middle, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some of our smoke. This is walnut flavored. We have a lot of different flavors, but I'm going to use walnut tonight. You're going to take about 1 or 2 pinches, just put it right in the middle, and then you're going to replace it with the screen, just like that. Now I'm going to take my kitchen torch and we're going to smoke away. So I'm just going to burn right down in the middle. All that smoke's going to start getting all inside the cloche, filling up the space. Just like that. Okay. And now I'm going to replace it with the top. And we're going to wait about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, let's do this. I'm going to take the top off. And I'm going to take the cloche off. That beautiful smoke. Let's dig in. Okay, now let's try it. Delicious. This has been another great episode of the Cocktail Goddess. Come visit me on Etsy at the Cocktail Goddess Gifts or the FoghatSmoker.com. Goodbye.